the seat.
So he's in the back row. I said, I'm going to try the front row because I like the front row.
I wanted to do the GoPro, the front row, and then I'll try the back row later. You gotta get that other train on the track.
Yeah, they will as the line gets longer, I think. They're maintaining something. Woo! Okay, well this is better than it was the last time. But being stapled is never fun.
No! Here we go! Woo!
This is a neat little ride.
Yeah! Woo! Here we go! Oh! That was awesome!
That was good. Just bad. That's way better. I mean, I was pinned. Like,
oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. There's a couple good pops of air on there.
Yeah, that's a good little ride.